Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. The last 2 days I've been working on my bedroom walls. A few months back I chipped off the plaster off the walls because they were damp and I let them dry out. I got the gutters fixed outside because that was the source of the damp, and then I had to get some pointing done under the gutters. So the damp coming in should be cured now, just to make sure, because my house is old and Edwardian and built in 1908. I've bitumened the walls just to sort of seal them. I've constructed a wood frame and I've put some Kingspan insulation inside, and I've taped round all the edges. So it's all nicely sealed. So tomorrow it's plasterboard time. So I can screw the plasterboard to the wood frame so it stays in place, and then the bottom half will be tongue and groove. So tomorrow will be the plasterboard going up, and then I put the tongue and groove up. So I'll do a follow-on video so you can have a little look-see over the next few days. But I'm just really pleased. I feel like it's a productive weekend. I've been slow. I know some people think, oh God, it took 2 days, but I have arthritis in my hands, so I have to do it a little by little. So I'm just pleased that I've got it done. And the quote I received was 500 quid. So yeah, plus materials. So I bought the materials and did it myself. So is it perfect? No. Am I happy with it? Yeah. I mean, I could have just got the wall plastered because we're planning on selling the house, but I'd already bought the materials last year. So I thought, just get on with it, just do it. Because I didn't want to bin the resources, and I didn't want to just stick them in the shed or whatever in the loft. I thought I might as well use this. Whoever has this room next will have a nice toasty warm room. Yeah, so I'm really pleased with it. It's just like this wall's still bitumened as well. These are 2 external walls, so the room is the coldest in the house because it's the only room in the house with 2 external walls. Most of the rooms only have 1, apart from in here. So even though it's the smallest room in the house, it's also the coldest one. So I'm just really pleased. So let me know if you're doing any DIY to save money and stop these builders charging people an absolute fortune for a simple job. This could have been easily done by a couple of workmen in a day, half a day, but it's taken me 2 days because my hands are wrecked. But I'm just glad to have got it done. So bye for now, and if you could be so kind, could you please like, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Watch out for my other DIY videos because I'm currently working on my bathroom as well. Bye for now.